Hello, I'm Grace. Samsung Electronics' Foundry business is drawing attention as it enters a growth trajectory for the first time in 4 years, signaling a return to profitability. According to Chosun Biz, Samsung Foundry is expected to achieve operating profit in the third quarter of this year. This marks a decisive turning point, as it would be the first time since the Foundry business began that cumulative losses are eliminated. Analysts assess that this news suggests a transition to a sustainable growth model, going beyond a simple rebound. Specifically, margin rates have improved compared to the previous quarter, gradually resolving the structural deficit. Increased order volumes from customers have driven production capacity utilization rates upward, supporting this improvement. These gains are expected to create synergies with the global semiconductor market's recovery trend. A key factor in this turnaround is the successful mass production of 1nm process technology, which has allowed Samsung to surpass TSMC in certain metrics. A dual-track strategy that pursues both advanced process technology and power efficiency is showing results. Market observers also note that practical achievements are emerging under Chairman Lee Yi-young's leadership. Organizational reforms, including robot-driven diagnostics and a review of humanoid strategies, are yielding effects for long-term growth momentum. These developments are expected to positively impact investor sentiment and stock price stability, leading to generally positive market reactions. However, continuous research and development investment remains necessary to close the technology gap with TSMC. Maintaining supply chain stability and cost competitiveness remain important challenges requiring careful management. Looking ahead, increasing demand from data centers and AI semiconductors is expected to drive major growth. Specifically, as demand for high-performance semiconductors rises in the AI era, the foundry market landscape is being reshaped. Samsung's foundry revival appears to be a new turning point for the entire Korean semiconductor industry. How Samsung maintains its technological edge amidst global competition will be the key variable determining future success. It remains to be seen whether this profitability turnaround is a temporary phenomenon or the start of a new growth cycle. Market participants are monitoring additional indicators to determine if Samsung's recovery is sustainable. Future quarterly earnings reports will likely reveal the actual scale of loss elimination and the extent of profitability improvement. Samsung's foundry resurgence is becoming a catalyst for renewed expectations of its role as an engine for the Korean economy. Attention is focused on whether this transition period will allow Samsung to elevate its position in the global foundry market. I'm Grace, thanks for watching.